Hi and welcome to today's video by Study Unifees. Today we'll be talking about the IELTS and specifically IELTS Academic Reading Comprehension. Today we will share with you the 10 most important things for academic IELTS reading comprehension success. Number 1. Understand the format of IELTS reading comprehension. Most of you probably know that this is a test of reading that is progressively difficult. This means that the first passage is the easiest and the last the most difficult. Understanding this, as well as understanding the various kinds of questions, how question groups occur, understanding things like answer order in passages is very important for IELTS success. So, point number 1. Master the format of IELTS academic reading. Number 2, it's very important to improve your scanning skills. Scanning is looking visually at text and trying to locate things like numbers, names of persons, names of places, and so on. To be able to quickly locate these in a text and then read around them to solve a question is a really important skill. Number 3, improve your skimming skills to become successful at IELTS reading. First, how do you skim an IELTS passage? The best way to do it is read the first and last sentence of each paragraph. This gives you a global understanding of the passage. In short, it tells you how the passage progresses, what the various ideas are that are discussed in the passage. Practice skimming to become a really proactive reader. Number 4 is a really important skill. That is, being able to recognize paraphrasing and synonyms. Paraphrasing is basically stating the same idea using different words. Synonyms are words that mean the same thing. What happens in IELTS is answers in the passage and keywords in the question are often paraphrased. Being able to recognize this is one of the most important skills in IELTS reading. Number 5, your vocabulary should be advanced to really excel at IELTS reading. Often, a lot of really advanced words are used in the passages. It's very important to understand what these words mean. Yes, there are tricks and tips like understanding the rough meaning of a word from its context, but nothing works better than actually knowing the word. So, to improve your IELTS reading score, first, improve your vocabulary. Number 6 is also a really important skill, managing your time. The IELTS gives you just 60 minutes to solve 40 questions. This means that you have just 1.5 minutes per question. Here, time management approaches are of paramount importance. You should have a strategy that ensures that you finish on time to get the best results. You should have a strategy that ensures that you try all the questions and also get a great score. Approaching passages like you approach them in high school does not work. Discover the best strategies to manage time at our classes at Study Unifees. Number 7, reading actively. Reading actively means, first, paraphrasing and ensuring comprehension. Reading actively also means being able to understand the flow of thoughts of an author and actually predict what the author will discuss next. So, become an active reader to succeed at IELTS reading comprehension. Number 8, awareness of global issues. IELTS passages are from a variety of fields. Fields like environment and wildlife, fields like society, technology, entrepreneurship, business, economies are very common. It's a good idea to read up on all these fields. Study Unifees provides you with comprehensive reading material to improve your global awareness of such fields and issues. Number 9, you cannot underestimate the power of practice. Practice as much as you can. There is no shortage of IELTS materials, not just online but also in libraries, in hard copy, in bookstores. Practice as much as you can. And just before the exam, practice from the official guide of the IELTS. Finally, and most importantly, keep a positive attitude. Yes, we are aware that IELTS reading is probably the most challenging section for most students. But a can-do attitude, an attitude that you will achieve your dream, an attitude that you will achieve your goal in IELTS reading is most important. Yes, you can be discouraged occasionally, but try your best to maintain a positive attitude throughout your preparation. Thanks for watching this video. For more insightful videos like this, like, share and subscribe. To get your IELTS preparation on track or to get your study abroad plans on track, register at studyunifees.io.